These shots were shot in the USA. Dark clouds, strong wind and a giant vortex funnel on the horizon. A huge water tornado has formed in the coastal waters of the state of Florida. The element got into the camera lens of one of the eyewitnesses who observed the funnel at 7 a.m. local time on the city beach in Destin in the northwest of the state. According to residents, the cataclysm was accompanied by strong thunder and lightning. Despite the fact that the tornado was spotted near the coast, it never made landfall. There was no information about the destruction.
Just stumbled across something. Look at that view. That's a big one. Heading east.